It's your boy the Clouded Barber back at it with another video. God, I love saying that. Here we got my client Dan. He likes that mid-zero fade, so here we are creating our first guideline with our Slimline Pro LIs, of course. Alright guys, now we got our magic clips, lever fully open, creating our second guideline. So basically what I'm doing now, and I haven't really done it often, is instead of fading upwards, now I'll be fading downwards, okay guys? So now we got our number 1, lever fully open, creating our third guideline. Now we got our number 2 guard, lever fully open, creating our fourth guideline now. Pay attention, guys. Now we got our 1.5 guard, lever fully open, and we are going to be taking out the fourth guideline. Lever fully open, lever half closed and closed, of course. Now we got our half guard, lever fully open, and we're working at our third guideline, lever fully open, half closed and closed. So as a recap, guys, you can obviously tell we're not fading upwards, now we're fading downwards. So this is just basically a different technique. As you could tell, we went from our half guard to no guard, lever fully open, and basically we're going to be working our way down from lever fully open, half closed to closed until that initial guideline is basically gone. As you can tell, half closed. And fully closed. And remember guys, never to go above the initial guideline when you're fully closed with the lever. Go up to the line and scoop out. You don't want to create another harsh guideline that you have to work out now. You know what I mean? Just extra work you got to put in that doesn't necessarily have to happen. And here we're just doing a little bit of lever play, taking out any dark spots. Now we're going in with our half guard again, lever fully open, half closed and closed, however we need it, just to take out those extra dark spots that I'm seeing right now. Alright, now we got our gold FX. Basically, we're not creating a C-cup on him because he doesn't like that style. He just wants the vertical bars nice and straight and crispy. So we're hitting his verticals, no C-cup. As you can see, there's a little bit of a dark spot there, guys. So I decided to go in with my 1 guard, lever fully open, and just tap at that dark spot, trying to lighten it up a little bit. Specifically with my corners, as you can tell, guys, the corners of my clipper, corner work is key. Okay guys, and obviously what we do on one side we do on the other. So here we're just touching up his vertical bars like we did on the other side. And also I kind of skipped that whole time-lapse thing because I found that I could fill that time with more valuable information for you guys. So here we're going in with his vertical bars and just lining up his corner to attach to his vertical bar to make that nice 90-degree angle. Zero C-cup work, and here we're just inserting a hard part. And always remember guys, there's always two sides to a line, so hit it normally the way you would and then flip your trimmer upside down as I'm doing here and hit the other side so it gives it that nice even crispy edge look. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and also hit that notification bell when I release a new video guys. And here we're going in with our Mizutani shears, just catching any flyaway hairs that are hanging over our line that we were unable to get with our trimmers, to make it look super crispy, super edgy, and to make it pop just like it's supposed to, just like he wanted it. Alright guys, now we're going in with our spray bottle, our comb, and our Mizutani shears. And basically all we're going to do here is take off about maybe 1/2 inch to 1/4 of an inch as he requested. So that's what we're here to do. We're here to make our clients happy, satisfy them, and make them leave in the barber shop with a big smile on their face. That is what I live for. Alright, so here we're going in with our texturizing shears, big teeth first for the longer hair, and then we're going to flip our comb around and go with the finer teeth for the shorter hair that the larger teeth are unable to capture. And what we're doing here is just taking out any dark spots, any little bit of bulk that we could have missed, just to lighten everything up. This is basically me just polishing up the haircut. Final touches, guys. So there were some dark spots that I was unable to get with my comb and my texturizing shears. So basically I'm going back in with my wall magic clips with my 1 guard lever fully open, just tapping at any dark spots again that I was unable to get at with my texturizing shears and my comb. Now we got our half guard, basically just tapping a little bit lower at any dark spots that I may have missed. It's just me polishing my work, guys, making sure, and customers really appreciate this. So to all you beginner barbers, always make sure you go back in and just polish up your work, because it can go a long way, believe me. Now we got no guard, and we're just tapping with our corners, guys. All right, now we're going in with our Tune 45 triple cartridge razor. He doesn't want the C-cup touch, just the vertical bars. So that's what we're here to do. We're here to make our clients happy. We're here to make them satisfied and leave with a smile on their face. So here we're going in again with the vertical bars, just cleaning them up on both sides. Alright guys, so here we're going in with our razor with the grain on the hard part, and then we're going to flip the razor around and go against the grain just to create that, just to make that hard part more prominent and make it pop so everybody can see it. That's what we want, that's what he wants, and again, we're here to make the client happy. So this is the before, guys, a little bit grungy, you know, looking a little, sorry Dan, you're looking a little dirty, you know what I mean? Yeah. And now we got the after, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this haircut. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Number love, keep it real and stay safe.